Morning everyone. So today I am on Sector A of Camposol, an urbanisation on the Costa Calida near the port of Matharon. 30 minutes to Cavera Airport and 20 minutes to the beaches. Now this property is a lovely property and only needs a bit of TLC in the garden. So this is the property that we're looking at. You have off-road parking and you have a pedestrian gate. So I'm just going to take you over, and the shops are just there on the roundabout, very close indeed. Nice gardens with established plants. Easy access because you've only got 2 steps up onto this lovely front terrace. You could enclose it or just leave it open as it is. I'm going to take you inside and have a look around the main property. Now we're inside this lovely Rubi, and as you can see there is central heating and a beautiful log burner fire. Now just come over here at a different angle just to give you a feel for the room. You have got your ceiling light and fan, and just behind the front door there, of course, you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. Your dining area through the archway here. Just going to pan around. Now this is a different layout to quite a few Neptune style properties that I've shown you before. So I'm going through the archway, which is to the side on this one. And it's totally different layout. So just in here you have a large double bedroom with ceiling fan and light, and that looks over the garden. And in there you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. Okay, I'm just gonna go this little link corridor, and just here you have a bathroom. So in here you have your shower attachment, you have your bath, your WC, radiator and your sink and pedestal. It's all in white tiles with a blue accent, and you have your frosted glass window there. Now I'll leave this room. And just in front of me we have an overhead storage and a double wardrobe. And I'll just go in here, and as we enter we have another double wardrobe with overhead storage, an archway to this large double bedroom here. Now you have your radiator under the window there, your wreckers and your blackout blinds on the windows. And just to give you a feel of this room, you have a doorway there which leads to your ensuite. You've also got switches and sockets on the windows for your lampshades, for your bedside lamps. In here is your ensuite. So you have a sink and pedestal, a WC, you have your bath, your radiator and your shower attachment there. You've got a frosted glass window. This is quite a large ensuite. And just over there you have your shower socket, your shaving socket, sorry. You have your shaving socket and you've got an overhead heater. So I'll take you in and around. We go through this door here and straight across, and we're going into another bedroom. So this is another large double bedroom. It has 2 single beds in, but we'll of course take a large double. You have got ceiling light and fan above. Just shut the door for a moment. I'll pan around. And as you can see, you have overhead storage and a double wardrobe. You've got insect screens, blackout blinds and records on the windows. You've also got your radiator here. So on these windows you got these pull down insect screens, and that's why I didn't see one on the front window, because they're pull down ones. Okay, so let me go and explore the rest of this property. So let me go and explore the rest of this property. Now we're coming back in here into the living space. Going to take it at a different angle. So just here is your dining area, and in your dining area you have got your radiator under the window. You've got insect screens on the windows, blackout blinds, and you've got records. Just above, got a beautiful chandelier. Now just off the dining area here you have your kitchen. So just here is a galley kitchen. You have got plenty of top and base units. You've got room for your white goods under there, your washing machine, your dishwasher, or whatever you need. You have plenty of worktop space, a sink and drainer. You've got a large cupboard here, which is very unusual. I've never seen one of these in any of the kitchens since I've been doing this for 5 years, and you have plenty of shelving in there. So great larder there. And again, you've got your fridge, freezer, and plenty of cupboards. So just here you've got integrated gas hob and electric oven. It's all tiled white with a little cream accent. So I'm going to go outside and take you in the garden. So I've just come outside the kitchen. You've got some beautiful roses to the side of the property there. I'm going to walk up to the rooftop solarium, and just to the side I see you've got a beautiful terrace there. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. Now you have got this rooftop solarium. It has a high wall, so you've got plenty of privacy if you want to do some sunbathing. I'll just bring you over here to show you how near you are to the shops. So there is the shops just there, and the bars. We've also got hairdressers, the vets, and a few other amenities. And further down along that road where the palm trees is the medical centre. So you're quite near all the amenities. So this is a great property to have if you want to be close to everything. So let me take you downstairs again. So guys, this is a great house in a great location. It has been painted inside and out. It needs a little TLC in the garden, and that is all. You have an underbuild over there and a fabulous terrace over there. You got your lemon tree here for your ice and a slice, and you could potentially put a huge pool here if you wanted to. Now you have this beautiful balustrade going up to the terrace here. Now this is a lovely area to put table and chairs and a pergola, so you can enjoy outside dining. I'm just going to pan around just to show you how big it is, and directly in front you could have your pool. And of course you have your entrance to the side. We'll go and have a look at that now. So of course just here are your steps up to your driveway for your off-road parking. And of course you've got enough room here for at least 2 cars, if not 3. You know yourself, you wouldn't have far to walk because the shops are just on your doorstep here. And we're back to the front of the property again. So guys, if you're interested in this villa, I will leave the reference number in the title of the video, and you will find the agent's details in the description box. So do contact info@tolettoselltobuy.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, do share and like on your social media, because somebody out there will love this villa.